Most homeowners waste thousands on interior design trends that look dated in just 2 years. But in 2026, something different is happening. Design experts are revealing trends that actually have staying power, and we're breaking down exactly which ones are worth your investment. Stick around because the biggest mistake people make is at number 3, and missing it could cost you big time. Let's dive in. Let's talk kitchens first, because this is where most renovation budgets go. The interior design trends for 2026 show a major shift in how we think about countertops and materials. Sculptural countertop edges are replacing boring waterfall edges everywhere. We're seeing OG profiles, mitered edges, and custom shapes that add personality without screaming trendy. Commercial spaces tested this for years, and now residential design is catching up. Here's the smart move. Instead of covering everything in the same beige quartz, designers are mixing materials with intention. Think one-statement countertop with a beautiful edge profile paired with simpler surfaces elsewhere. This approach saves money while creating visual interest that lasts. And hardware? Chrome is making a massive comeback alongside unlacquered brass. These metals have decades of proven staying power. They develop character over time instead of just looking worn out. That's the difference between timeless and temporary. Bathroom design that stands the test of time. Bathrooms in 2026 are getting smarter, not just prettier. The glass shower box is finally dying, and here's what's replacing it: metal-framed enclosures in bronze, brass, and black steel. These aren't just about aesthetics. They create intimacy and feel more intentional than throwing up glass panels. Plus, they hide water spots better and give you options for privacy without looking dated. Now, about marble. Everyone's obsessed with it. But here's the truth most designers won't tell you. Too much marble looks like you're trying too hard. The timeless interior design approach for 2026 focuses on strategic placement. One stunning marble vanity with a sculptural edge beats marble-clad walls every single time. Think about it, a beautiful quartzite or marble moment on your vanity, maybe a marble shelf in your shower, but let your walls breathe. Use plaster, micro-cement, or even quality tile. This mixed material approach has staying power because it's about balance, not excess. Color and material choices that age well, here's where most people get it wrong. The all-beige everything look is already feeling stale, but that doesn't mean you should paint everything navy blue tomorrow. The Home Design Trends 2026 experts recommend focus on tonal variation, different shades and textures of similar colors. Mix warm beiges with taupes, add textured plaster walls, layer in natural wood tones. This creates depth that photographs well and lives even better. Quartzite is having a major moment, and unlike some trendy materials, this one makes sense. It offers the durability of granite with the beauty of marble. Taj Mahal quartzite is everywhere right now, but dozens of other varieties offer that same sweet spot of practicality and beauty. Real quick, if you're getting value from these interior design tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're dropping renovation guides and design breakdowns every week that'll save you thousands. Also, drop a comment below. What room are you renovating in 2026? I read every single one. Lighting and architectural details worth the investment. Lighting makes or breaks a space. And in 2026, we're finally moving past those boring builder-grade pot lights. Statement lighting over kitchen islands is replacing those 3 generic pendant lights everyone has. We're talking sculptural fixtures that used to only go in dining rooms. Now they're everywhere, and they add personality without looking like you tried too hard. For ambient lighting, upgraded bullet lights and directional spots in brass or bronze finishes turn your ceiling into an architectural moment. Fewer fixtures, better quality, more intentional placement. That's the formula. Ceilings are the 5th wall, and adding subtle detail there, whether through lighting, color, or texture, creates sophistication that budget builds just can't match. This isn't about spending more. It's about spending smarter on details that elevate everything else. Furniture and layouts that won't date quickly. The blob furniture trend is fading fast. Those super organic, curvy pieces felt fresh 2 years ago, but they're already looking specific to a moment in time. What's replacing them? Geometric shapes with clean lines. Think Art Deco-inspired pieces, symmetrical furniture arrangements, and structured silhouettes. These reference design eras that have already proven their longevity. For textiles, white buccal is still selling, but colored and patterned versions in rich fabrics like velvet and linen have more staying power. They hide wear better and adapt to different color schemes as your taste evolves. Floor plans are finding balance too. Not everything needs to be open concept. Strategic walls and defined zones create homes that work for real life and that practical functionality never goes out of style. So here's the bottom line on interior design trends. 2026. The smartest investments focus on quality materials in strategic places. Classic shapes with personal touches and balanced approaches over extreme choices. If this video helped you plan your renovation smarter, smash that like button and subscribe for more design breakdowns that actually save you money. Drop a comment with your biggest design question. I'm covering those in upcoming videos. And here's what's coming next. We're revealing the 5 design rules that top designers actually break all the time. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.